In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate specific slides in your Google Slides presentation. This handy technique can save you a lot of time when you're looking to reuse content or create variations within your presentation. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Slides presentation that contains the slides you'd like to duplicate. Once you have your presentation open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your slide thumbnails are located. It's your main control center for selecting and reorganizing the slides in your presentation. Now, if you want to duplicate specific slides, you'll need to select them first. Begin by clicking on the first slide you're interested in duplicating. If there are more slides you want to include, press and hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key if you're using a Mac. Then, continue to click on each additional slide that you want to duplicate. This action allows you to select multiple slides individually, giving you flexibility in your choices. But what if you have a range of slides that are placed consecutively and you need all of them duplicated? The process is just as simple. Click on the first slide in the range, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last slide in the group. This will select all slides in between, allowing you to handle them as a batch. After making your selections, you'll want to navigate to the top menu of your Google Slides interface. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you'll hover over Make a Copy. At this point, another menu presents itself, offering several options. Choose Selected Slides. This ensures that only the slides you have highlighted will be part of the new duplicate presentation. A dialog box will now pop up, prompting you to choose where you'd like to save this new copied presentation in your Google Drive. Here, you can either save it in the current folder or browse for a different location that suits you better. Additionally, Google Slides offers options such as Remove Speaker Notes, which can come in handy if you want a clean slate without any notes that were present in the original slides. Once you've set your preferences, go ahead and click on Make a Copy. And there you have it. A new presentation will be automatically created, containing only the slides that you selected from your original presentation. This new file will appear in the destination folder you specified, ready for any further modifications or sharing you have in mind. Duplicating slides can streamline your workflow tremendously. It's a wonderful way to maintain consistency across projects or to simply branch out from an existing presentation framework. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.